Hello students, today we will study chapter 4, the naming words. Students, what is a naming word? A naming word is one which refers to the name of a person, animal, place or thing. Students, the names given to persons, animals, places or things are called naming words or nouns. बच्चों, नेमिंग वर्ड्स किसी भी व्यक्ति, जगह, जानवर या वस्तु का नाम होता है. Students, everything around us has a name. You too have name. Animals, places and things have their names. So their names are called naming words. Now let's see some of the examples given in the book. Dog. Dog is the name of an animal. Sun. Sun is the name of a thing. Lion. Lion is the name of an animal. Pratik. Pratik is the name of a person. Now, let's read the sentences. The dog is a faithful animal. Second, the sun shines brightly. Third, the lion is the king of the jungle. Fourth, Pratik is playing a guitar. Fifth, India is our motherland. Students, in sentences 1 and 3, the words dog and lion are the names of animals. In sentences 1 and 3, dog and lion are the names of animals. In sentence 2, the word sun is the name of a thing. In sentence 2, the word sun is the name of a thing. In sentence 4, the word Pratik is the name of a person. In sentence 4, the word Pratik is the name of a person. In sentence 5, the word India is the name of a place. India is the name of a place. Thus, it is clear that the words which refer to the names of persons, places, animals or things are called naming words or nouns. Students, naming words are used as the names of persons, animals, places or things. Now, we will study about kinds of naming words. First, a common name is given to every person or thing of the same class or kind. Common names are the names of animals, places or things of the same class. बच्चों, कॉमन नाउन्स या कॉमन नेम्स किसी एक ही वर्ग के सभी व्यक्ति एवं वस्तु का बोध होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, boy, country, man, city, river, dog, flower, etc. Students, these words like boy, country, man, city, these words do not specify about particular names or persons or things. They tell us about particular group of the same class or kind of persons or things. Now we will see second kind of naming words. A special name is the name of some particular person or place. It always begins with a capital letter. Students, special names are given to certain persons or places. They always begin with capital letters. Students, we should always remember this, that special names always begin with a capital letter. Let's understand naming words with the help of some examples. For example, John, Pratik. These are the names of persons, special names of persons. India, Sri Lanka. Special names of countries. Kolkata, Jaipur. Special names of cities. Ganga, Yamuna. Special names of rivers. Students, these are the special names of persons, countries, cities and rivers. So, they have special name. Now, we will see next about countable names. Countable names are the names of objects, people, etc. that we can count. We can count countable names. Students, countable names are the names that we can count. बच्चों, जिनको हम गिनती कर सकते हैं उसे countable names कहते हैं. We use a or an before one form of countable names. Students, a or an means one. A or an means one. We use a before consonant. For example, a book, a table. And we use an before vowel. For example, an orange, an ice cream. Next, countable names also have many forms of naming words. For example, one cup, many cups. One mug, many mugs. One key, many keys. One jug, many jugs. One means singular and many means plural, more than one. Now we will see about uncountable names. Uncountable names are the names of things which we cannot count. Uncountable names are the names of things which we cannot count. Students, we cannot count uncountable names. जिन चीज़ों को गिनती नहीं कर सकते हैं वे uncountable names है. We cannot count them. We do not use a or an with them. We do not use a or an with uncountable names. Uncountable names do not have many forms. Uncountable names do not have many forms. Some examples of uncountable names are as follows: milk, honey, oil, and wood. These are the examples of uncountable names. Milk, honey, oil, wood. We cannot count them. We cannot count milk, honey, oil, and wood. Students, hope you have understood the chapter about naming words. Kindly revise the chapter. Thank you.